Good morning, guys. It's the next morning and we finished up all the fields yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't get to film it, but we're here today. We're gonna start on a giant wheat field. So let's get started. We're about to start to move. Let's go. He's waiting for me to fill up the combine so that I can load him, because there's a truck waiting on us, so we don't want to keep him too long. I love these buttons. I just set them up to where number one, if I press it, it lifts up the header. It's so useful. If I press number two, it'll lower the head, and then I press it again, it'll do the auto steer. And this one works so good. Like, I can go 5 miles per hour and it'll still cut so good. So it's amazing. I put my auger out to let him know that I can unload on the go, but that I'm full. So he's coming over and unloading me. That's full hopper. You can go fill the truck with that. I'll put my auger back. There he goes. We got a full hopper. Right now we're waiting on a truck, so my grandfather's gonna unload the hopper cart, or the grain cart, whatever you want to call it. I'm just waiting in the combine. It looks like he's ready to load. Look at it start to come down. I always thought that was so cool, how it unloads so quick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a Moco that's broke down. It looks like they're fixing it. He got a lot of stuff done today, though. He got 100 acres, it looks like. That's cool. And that's the last pass of this field. We're gonna turn off the header. We're gonna go ahead and move to the field by our house, or my grandfather's house, and we'll finish that up for today.